Well, we're here at the Home Depot getting me and my buddy Jimmy here.
Oh no.
Getting our day started. We're going to be painting today. I'm just letting you guys know, while Jimmy is not around, that he is crazy. Alright, so we got everything we needed here. We got 5-gallon paint. We got everything. Boom. Ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and paint this all. It's going to be galactic gray. Galactic something. And then we have one other. This one also needs to be galactic gray. Gonna make it all one.
They got an old broom.
They're all calm now.
Huh?
They're all calm now. They got their show on.
Oh shit.
Look at them. All three of them. Calm, not barking, watching doggy TV. We're up at the depot again. We forgot stuff. What we got so far is we've taped off all of this shower. We've taped off and took off. Jimmy's over here still working hard taping.
Oh no.
Got us all taped up. Look at that. Ooh wee. I probably should stop saying ooh wee. Alright, so this is coming out. No more. Ooh wee. This one also came out. And I went ahead and installed this one up here. Boom. Nice. It's looking pretty good. Paint does look uneven on video, but just needs to dry. Just needs to dry. Doing little touch-ups and whatnot. Boom. Alright. Moment of truth. Flip the switch. Boom. Looking bomb. Alright.